Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to Al Stock Trades. Mic check. Hope everyone can hear me. Wanted to just go ahead and talk about a couple of things. There's a lot in that title, so we have a lot to discuss. We're going to do this very short. Um, yeah, you know what? Does the 5-day chart show a cup and handle? And I was actually sitting down and looking at the charts, and I was interesting. It's starting to look like that actually. Regardless, if it doesn't show it now, it will show it in the future. And when people don't understand, it's another technical analysis technique. It's potentially indicates that's bullish. All right, so we're going to be talking about the Citibank upgrades. We're going to go ahead and talk about an upcoming golden cross. And for people that are like, "What is a golden cross?" We're going to give a little quick lecture on what a golden cross is. And one moment here. Hey, I'm actually live right now. Can I give you a call back? All right, I'm actually live right now. Literally. Bye. All right. Sorry about that. All right. Literally, we're alive. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and look at some YouTube comments for, for some shits and giggles, So, all right. Definitely share this video, like and subscribe, do all that nice stuff. Really appreciate it. So overall, we're just going to go ahead and do a quick lecture right now on Golden Cross versus Death Cross. What does it mean? This is like a third version of 10. We really strive for perfection here. So understanding a Golden Cross and a signal for bullish breakout. So first off, it's just simply, it's bullish, right? It's when the short-term moving average, which is the 50-day, crosses above the long-term moving average, which is the 200-day. It indicates the possibility of a long-term bull market, and it's a high trading volume. And it's one of those indicators that many traders actually search for scanners, kind of like almost how we get a breakout in the 200-day SMA. And it indicates a potential major rally versus a death cross indicates a bearish price movement, which we'll go into in the application part of things. So overall, deciphering, there's a couple stages. You have the downtrend bottoms out, shorter moving average crosses above the longer moving, and then the uptrend continues post crossover. And so that's all I have to say there. Just in terms of just quickly kind of how it looks like. Good picture here, nice and easy. Obviously here you have the price action, which is in green and in red. And then you have the black line here, which is the 200-day moving average, right? And then you have the 50-day, which is a short-term moving average. And as you can see, now I want you to ignore everything and just focus on the black line and the blue line. So very simply, when the blue line crosses the black line, it makes things even more bullish, and that's called a golden cross, right? So when the 50-day moving average, the shorter moving average, crosses over the longer moving average, it indicates that this is it's essentially solidifying a reversal, right? So what does the 200-day moving average basically do? It conglomerates all the price actions for the last 200 days. So this is a great way of looking at the price action from a long-term perspective and a short-term perspective. Okay. So overall, the differences between golden and death cross. Golden cross is a bull market. Death cross indicates a bear market. It's interesting, though. There are limitations. This is lagging, as I said. There's a potential of false signals. Then we have to use other indicators, such as it's like fundamentals, right? And other indicators like the MACD, RSI, and VWAP, and all the other indicators that we look at. So that's pretty much it. That should give you enough information for people that don't know what this means. So now when we look at this, we can apply this. Well, first off, we could do this two ways, right? We can go ahead and use the stock terminal, and we can enter here very quickly, and we could just pull up the information here. We click on it, and we can look down here. This is for Clover Health. We can see the 200-day is $1.07, and the 50-day simple moving average is $1.04. So we're only three pennies away from undergoing a golden cross. People like it like this because it's nice and easy and fast. People that are more visual, again, just like I said here, the golden line, and it's kind of hard right now because now this line is kind of gold and it's like 200-day. So it's like don't get yourself confused here. So this golden line is the 200-day, and the purple line is the 50-day, right? So once these two lines cross, you're going to get a golden cross. And as you can see, these two lines here, they're literally about to intersect. So that's bullish, right? And just now, very, kind of quickly, where do you see a death cross? So let's see. So you can see a death cross here, kind of, because it's still new, so that doesn't count. You can see a death cross here. So a death cross happened in August of 2021, right? A death cross happened, and it hasn't crossed. Let's see when has it ever crossed? No, right? I do this as a lesson, right? So you can see how you can use this to essentially help you, for people that are pure technical analysis investors. All right, so now that we went over this, now let's go ahead and talk over about the Citibank upgrade. So let me see. I posted about it here. We have amazing chats on our group here. Let's see here. So I can find it. There it is. Okay, so I made this here, made this little slide here to show the Citibank analyst, Jason, who over the last 2 years, when compared to the S&P 500, he's actually averaging negative returns of 18%. Even though we had a wonderful bull market this year, he's still in the negative in comparison to the 2 years. His success rate is 33%, and he's pretty much an analyst that is near the bottom in his field. Okay, so the reason why I put CLOV and Kano is, if you don't realize, Kano recently has really suffered a lot. As you can see, it's just dropped like insane. There's a big drop, big gap, and potentially they could go bankrupt. But interestingly here, this individual, as Clover was going down near the 70 cents region, he was saying hold, but for Kano, he was saying buy, right? And now a lot of folks are realizing Clover is coming out and champion this amazing return via its profitability initiative. And a lot of people got this wrong, but we've been on top of this, right? So the point is here is take analyst downgrades and upgrades as a grain of salt, because we've proved many times in the 100 videos that we've established that this is the case. Now, let me see what else is on the docket. We got the Golden Cross Horizon. Now, okay, now my favorite. We're going to go ahead and talk about YouTube comments. Okay, these are really fun. Okay, so this was 4 weeks ago. Let me just look at the timeline. A month ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago. So about 3 months to a month ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at the CLOV stock price, right? And let's look at year to date. So 3 months ago would be here, right? 74 cents. And a month ago would be here, around 80 cents, right? Okay. So it's when the stock was dipping. Okay. So let's go back and let's read this. Okay. I love these comments. Paul, if you're here, where are you, man? All right. He says, as a doctor, why can't you see Clover as a dying patient? Unless there's a divine intervention, Clover stock is going to meet its maker. Can I get an amen? Believe me, I would love to be wrong on this. Well, you are, Paul. You're all. I love you, Paul. I love the comment. It's going to meet its maker. Okay. Retail investors kill me because you guys, you're not supposed to have emotion in this, right? All right. Are you sure this is a bear market, or is it a bad market for crappy companies? Okay. All right. So this was, Clover Health Strategies, bear market navigating. So, while the stock was falling, we were making a video, right? So let's go ahead and do this one here. Okay. This one. Any regrets of getting involved in this stock? No, not really. Right. I'm actually doing pretty good. Right. All right. So let's go ahead and let's the next comment here. There's so many. I just handpicked them really quickly. All right. This is 3 months ago. Remember when I said 3 months ago was right here in the 70 cents region? He said, sold out today of Clover, lost 70%. This company has zero communication and updates. Lesson learned. Stick to good, profitable companies and don't hope for a 20x Hail Mary. All right. So I think this is the last one. Oh, no, we got more. We got more. All right, hold on, hold on. I actually responded to this one. So sorry, guys. Is this a good time to buy Clover? And then this guy came. If you listen to the bag holders, it's a great time. But considering the fact that nobody currently holding Clove is in the green, buyer beware. This was a popular next AMC meme stock that never had a substantial run. Clove has a better chance of being delisted than it does of hitting $10 a share. A lot of people lost money on the stock, but you could literally own 100 shares of for less than $80. You have a better chance of getting your money back than people who averaged in the prices 10x higher. I actually agree with this one. The last comment here in terms of averaging down. We actually talked about this in our group today, but the whole comment of it's going to be delisted, right? So in any case, I really, really enjoyed this, guys. I mean, let me see if there's any other comments. I'm going to try to find more. If you guys can email me comments that you've seen regarding Clover, that'd be really it's just fun. It's just fun. I love you guys. I hope this was very helpful about the Golden Cross, good educational platform there. We do have $500 off in our mastering course, which has access to our stock terminal and everything we offer here at Al Stock Trades. Congratulations. Wonderful week we've had in Clover. Wonderful month. I mean, come on, guys. The month is great. This is what we like to see. And it's just amazing that it's materializing. Again, it's not about the money. It's the fact that we were able to know that we had gold when others did not know. And that's the beauty of investing, right? Knowing what you have. Okay. And I appreciate all of you guys. I will see you in the next one.